Alright you guys, this is the second video, part 2 of my Kia stereo installation on the 2017 Kia Soul. Okay you guys, so alright, it took me 2 days to figure everything out you guys. This is the stereo kit. You guys see this? 2017 Kia Soul, the 1.6 base model, automatic. No GPS, no navigation, just the standard basic model. Alright you guys, this is going to be very, very tricky. And it's going to be very, very short. So this is the kit. This is your original stereo. As you guys can see, this is the original stereo. These are the plugs you guys are going to remove. You guys are going to remove these two plugs, this plug, and that plug. So once you remove that, these metal parts that you see right here on the side, you're gonna remove those parts. You're gonna remove these parts for the reason you're gonna put it in your new stereo. You're gonna move the ones on this side and this side. It's 2 screws, one on the bottom, one on top. One on the bottom, one on top. So now I'm going to show you the installation I've done on my 2017 Kia Soul. It was a hassle, you guys. I did not want to splice the wires. I repeat, I did not want to splice the wires. I'm a car audio guy. I've done car audio before. It's been several freaking years that I have not done a stereo on the car. What reason, you may ask? For the reason is that I didn't need to. I didn't have to. My sound was good, but my stereo screen did crack, you know. So yeah. So to introduce you the new stereo. It's Pioneer double din with I actually installed the rear view camera. It's a dual rear view camera with a double din. You know, nothing fancy. You know, it's just a double din, a plain double din. You know, stereo. I'm hoping I'm able to make it play DVDs. That's what I'm shooting for right now. Okay, so anyways, drop me a link down below. If honestly, you guys, the harness was gonna be too expensive. The harness itself was gonna cost me between $78 to $200. I was able to find the colors to the negative and the positive of all speakers, and everything got connected. The only issue I did have was there's actually, look, let me show you. There's actually one. Let me see if I can get it. Okay, there's one wire. This is one wire, power wire. This is another power wire. This is another power wire. This is another power wire, and that's another power wire. You know, these are all power wires, including this one right here. So you guys want to know what I did? Okay, like I told you guys, I've done car stereos back in my life and everything. When I couldn't find a power source because maybe some people spliced it before I got there, you know, I had no other choice than pinching it into the fuse box. You know, you guys gonna send me messages, oh man, you gonna fuck up your car. You know what, dude, I've had this car for about shy of 2 years, and my plan is keeping it. Not planning to keep the stereo in here. I'm planning to remove the stereo. Okay, so where I'm at. So what happened was that for some reason there were so many power wires I couldn't find which one it is. I eventually did find one, and when I put my car in drive, it'll power down everything. So I'm like, you know what? F it. You know? F it. Fuck it. You know, I'm sorry for my language. You know? I'm F it. So I went to my fuse box, which is underneath the console. Okay? And I plugged in the yellow wire, which is the one that rolls with your ignition. I installed that one on the wiper, front wiper. So when you install the yellow wire to the front wiper, and then you connect your red wire, the red wire, the 12 plus, the 12 volt wire, you connect that one to where it says start. You guys see? I don't know if you guys see. Okay, where it says start. And then the other one will be connected where it says wiper front. I don't know if you guys were able to see that, you know. So you connect that. So the ground, you can keep it on the ground wire. On the ground wire that's supposed to be. I'll tell you this. I'll tell you more. I'll tell you this much, you guys. I'll tell you this. Do not follow. If you guys are planning to splice the harness from a 2017 Kia Soul, non-amplified, just the basic stereo, the one that has Sirius XM, and that's it. And it has the iPod auxiliary cord and power things in the bottom. If you guys are planning to not waste your time and wait for a harness, you guys want to splice it, do not splice it, but you're going to have to run the wire to the fuse box. Why, you say? Because you're going to have the same power issues I was having. It took me one whole day to today to figure that out. You know, and I was about to do this whole random throw wiring from the battery to the inside, through the firewall, to the stereo, run the fuse box through there, or a switch relay, you know. But honestly, that was going to be too much work, you guys. Way too much work. So what did I do? So what I ended up doing, I ended up running everything that I had to run. Basically, I'm going to show you guys a picture. Okay, I'm going to show you guys a picture of the wiring color that you guys need to find. It's pretty simple. Once you start cutting the little wire back, you know, once you cut the wire back, you guys are going to know where everything is at. Want a drink? Oh, yeah, open it. And this is my wife, Alyssa. And if you guys haven't seen her on YouTube, now you guys know. But Alyssa, tell them how hard was it for me to do this?
He just needed me to sit by him. After I came out here, it worked. You have to admit it's true. Favorite one?
So I got frustrated, you guys. It was frustration. Oh, that was actually good. What is that? Pineapple celery. If you guys ever go to Costco, this is not a sponsored video or anything like that. But if Frutos de Vida wants to sponsor us, thank you very much. Your juices are really good, really good.
That's my favorite one.
That's my favorite one right now too. It's really refreshing. So yeah, you guys. Besides that, you know, I'll link you guys on the below. Probably in the below, I'll let you guys know the colors. I don't know my colors very well.
You're colorblind.
And I think my wife says I'm colorblind. I'm not sure.
Doctor even said you're colorblind. Yeah, you're colorblind.
So, in other words, when you guys go through the wiring right here, you guys have to pull that wiring back. You see all this rug stuff, this tape stuff, you're going to have to roll it back. You got to get a blade and lightly cut it back. You know, just lightly cut it. Don't penetrate it down to where the wire is at. Just be very careful when you guys are splitting the wrap freaking tape.
I only have one more. I want to get some more. We can maybe go today or maybe tomorrow when we pick up something.
Go today. Okay. So sorry about that, you guys. So It will eliminate your power steering. There's no power steerings anymore. No, there's no volume remote. You can't change it to mode. You can't even use the talk back features.
Unless you buy that thing, it's like $200.
Yeah, as long as you buy that thing. But after you splicing the wires, honestly, you pretty much
It's done.
It's done. So what I'm thinking on my behalf, I am gonna remove these switches off, and I'm gonna buy the one that has the thing sealed up. They do sell it. I'm not sure how much it costs, but I'm hopefully able to get those.
Wheel?
Yeah, it's just this. Mm-hmm. This is the cover, so when I pull it off, it has all the modules. I'm gonna snip them, and then put the thing back and take this thing off. That's it. So yeah, you guys. So with that said, I hope you guys liked the video. I'll probably post another video after this, maybe tomorrow, a couple days, and show you guys what I did and how I ran the wire and everything. But honestly, you guys, it's very difficult. It was difficult at first. This is actually my first Pioneer, and my first Pioneer double din. Pioneers tend to be a pain in the ass, and then on top of that, I'm still need to do a switcheroo right now to do the bypass. So now that everything is working properly, I'm gonna do the bypass so that way I can play DVDs as I'm driving. So that, I'm pretty sure you guys seen or looked it up through Google to how to bypass a Pioneer, so and so. This is actually the Pioneer AVH 110BT. So this is the Pioneer AVH 110BT. That's the one I got. I actually got a good deal on it. Alyssa, didn't we get a good deal?
Yeah, we did.
I told my wife.
To the point he told me to shut up and not say anything as we were walking out of the store.
Yeah, so the TV was actually going for $119 at Walmart, and I got it for a fair price, you guys. I told my wife to shh.
He basically got it for $60.
Yeah, I got it pretty much for $60. But what can you guys beat? For $60, I was gonna buy a dual double din that already came with the rear view camera, but at the same side, it was. You guys, if you guys use dual, I can install that thing with not an issue. You know, those are no issues. You can get the pink wire, ground it, and there you go. You got rear view camera. You know, but this is a Pioneer. It's a lot better quality. You know, better sound as well. So yeah, you guys. Well, I appreciate it for everybody I haven't posted a video in a long time. So if you guys see this video, throw me some likes. I know there's nobody out there that has done a 2017 Kia Soul and showed it on how they did it. I'm practically the first one. So if you guys want to follow and let me know and email me through here, I will send you guys the picture on what's the colors for your speakers. Then don't worry about the tweeters. The tweeters are being ran through the front speakers. So when you connect everything through the harness, or how you splice the harness, you guys will get the full effect through there. So you guys don't have to worry about, I have to run 2 more wires because the tweeters. No, everything's ran through there. So appreciate it again, you guys. This video will be uploaded today. If you guys saw it today, then appreciate it. Give it the like. You know, subscribe to my channel because I am going to be doing more to this 2017 Kia Soul. And if you guys want to watch and see, you know, maybe my wife we have probably something coming up soon, huh?
Yeah.
Doing a wrap. So if you guys want to know the color wrap I may do, drop it down below. Let us know what color wrap you think I'm going to do, or what color wrap she's going to pick.
I'm thinking blue.
You messed up already.
I said I'm thinking blue, and you don't even let me say what kind, so just think blue.
Just think blue then, you guys. Just think blue. It could be 2-tone, it could be 3-tone, it could be 4-tone, but it's gonna be a wrap. So drop down below, let us know what color it may be. First hint is blue. So let me know, all right? Let us know. Bye. Bye, Alyssa.
Oh, okay, bye.